Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share how you can apply for a super visa for your parents to visit Canada. This visa is perfect for parents and grandparents who want to spend extended time with their children in Canada. First up, what is a super visa? It allows parents and grandparents to stay in Canada for up to 2 years without frequent renewals. Next, check eligibility. Your parents need valid Canadian medical insurance for at least a year and must be in good health. You, as the host child, must be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident and prove you can financially support them. Now, gather the required documents: valid passports, proof of your citizenship, an invitation letter, medical insurance, and financial documents. Don't forget the medical exam. Parents must see an authorized physician as part of the process. You can submit the application online or by paper, but online is usually faster and easier. Sometimes, biometrics and an interview are needed, so be prepared for that. Finally, wait for processing, which can take 2 to 4 months. Remember, the super visa lets your parents stay up to 2 years without frequent renewals, and medical insurance is key. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll gladly answer them. Thank you.